nopuhas dati kotumbazanu nongozo ngabi ikahansanan no sigot ni pido tongogingo.
Kombinasian om TABI PIBABASAN kumadi soviavi kabinay ko ngabi om hohobi pokozo do tinaw toko Kadazan. Tadaw di bay no agazo ginavo ko do manak do kointangan taku di commodity hozou Kadazan i minan kusupuo i oitan do Kotumbazaai moy do ohan muntok di makikinongo di aw kalati dati dait bos Kadazan may kupop hambuso iti kentangan ku dait bos do Onggilis ya. Greetings to you, God bless you to all my friends. Today is a wonderful day for me. I just completed my music videos on one of my favorite Kadazan song, and I know many of you might not understand my language, but the language of Kadazan is one of the most spoken language in the island of Borneo, the third largest island in the world, in Sabah. And Kadazan is one of those local Aborigines tribe where I came from. I thought that I want to do my commentary on this Kadazan song which I have composed. The title of this song is Kotumbazaai. Kotumbazaai. Now, Kotumbazaai is a Kadazan language which mean belief. In the Christian term, it is faith, belief. The reason why I wrote this song with this title, Kotumbazaai, is I am encouraging, I am trying to inspire people to believe in yourself. Kotumbazaai no daidiaw sandi. To believe in yourself that whatever circumstances, situation, challenges in life or in your daily challenges, whether it is work, personals, family, I'm trying to share through this song that have faith in yourself, believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, then how can you allow people to believe you? So have confidence that whatever you do, you believe in yourself that you can do it. And to me, nothing is impossible to those who believe. That's what Jesus said. And so Kotumbazaai mean believe. Kotumbazaai, believe. So just to highlight some of the wordings, I will try to interpret or translate it in English language. The first part is nopuhas dati kotumbazanu. Nopuhas dati kotumbazanu means maybe your trust in yourself, your belief has diminished, diminished throughout the years because you have been facing so many challenges and you have failed in many situations. And nongozo ngavi ikansanan, perhaps nongozo ngavi means it died off. All kahansanan, all your hopes have already died off, And nosigot nipi do tongogingo nogonitan. Perhaps even your dreams, you have stopped dreaming, you have stopped visualizing, those wonderful dreams, ambition that you have. And nogo nognitan means because you have suffered a lot and you have been hurt, or you have hurt. You know, in our life, in my life, in your life, which I believe, everybody have their desire and dreams and ambitions. But there are many things that you have not achieved and you regretted it. You tried to achieve your dream, but it failed. And I'm trying to say that, yeah, maybe you have lost your confidence, you have lost your faith, trust in yourself, that you want to curse yourself, you blame yourself that I am good for nothing, and so forth. All right. And they kontingan sunduvan. They kontingan sunduvan mean in the midst of your confusions of your soul. Sunduvan is soul. In the midst of such trouble of your soul, vasi tumonong pahay tuluay. Vasi tumonong pahay tuluay. I mean, it is good to just saturate yourself and have a long pause and thought and have peace to yourself. You know, ponder for a while. So, in the midst of all the situation that you're going on, you have failed your dream, you have failed to accomplish what you desire, all your confidence are gone, napuhas, you know, and it dried off, it died off, all your hope. I think in this song I'm trying to say that, look, in the midst of all the situation that you're going, trouble, it is good. That's my advice. It's good for you to monong, to just ponder for a while. Pause yourself. Sit down. Don't think too much and ponder the good thing and the bad thing and the accomplishment that you have done. You know. Pamusavay the taho mahom tia komiku. And so I said, I want you to listen what I am about to say. Pamusavay. Think deeply. Taho mahom tia komiku. Tia komiku means what I'm about to say. So, you know, in this song, I'm trying to just speak to you, to your heart, to your soul. You know, think. Can I take a time to speak to you? Something like this. Pamusavay, dotaho mahom tia komiku. Komi is my words. I want to speak to you. Something like this. And then the chorus is Kotumbazaai, 3 times. Kotumbazaai, Kotumbazaai. Ziaw sondi kanu manakadai. Mean, believe. Just trust in yourself. Believe and have confidence in yourself, because only you are able to rise up, to be able to lift up, to be able to face whatever that is burdening your life. You know, manakadai mean you want to lift up, to take up, you know. So believe. But the real meaning of when I say Kotumbazaai, Kotumbazaai, Kotumbazaai 3 times is you believe in yourself. Raise up, believe in yourself. Why I say this? Because I'm saying from my experience to believe in yourself, and I've seen it. Kotumbazaai, ahantoy nu konunu taguvangon. Believe in yourself, and you will accomplish ahantoy nu. You will accomplish konunu taguvangan. Whatever that you are facing. Whatever you are facing. You know, you cannot run away. You have to face the lion. You have to face your ghost. Face it with confidence. Songkuo po tu kinavas daw tu kadon gisom o dimpatan. Mean, no matter how high, you know, high, that is above and beyond the situation that is considered impossible for you to climb up. but you will put your ladder in life and go climb the ladder in life, persevere gisom o dimpatan until you reach it out. Never give up. I'm trying to say like this. Believe in yourself, even how high and you're very down there. Rise up, climb up, and reach out until, never give up until you reach out your dream. Kotumbazaai the Ethnic. Now believe in yourself. Because there are so many people say, trust me, believe in me, put your trust in me. Yes, but also you must put your trust in yourself. Because if you doubt, you will never. If you don't have confidence in yourself, man, you will never accomplish in life. So I'm trying to say here, Kotumbazaai the Ethnic, kapanak daw Kadazan. Believe in yourself and trust me, it will give you victory. Kapanak mean it will give you Kadazan victory. Right? And I continue, Kotumbazaai the Ethnic, believe, trust in yourself. Humavan ngavi di magundat diyaw. To resist, to fight those who bring negative thought, negative words in your life, those who want to talk bad about you. You believe in yourself and fight. Fight means not physical fight, but don't allow bad words, negative thinking, negative word of people to control your life. Fight. Face it. I continue. Tongkison nu tu izyaw na ikanu managuvang tangagagut di manangod diyaw. Tongkison mean you just brush it off. Tongkison, brush it off. Because it is you who is able to face those who are against you. I'm trying to encourage people to be fearless. Face it. You know, they want something from you. Don't run away, but face it. Face it. All right? And you will accomplish your dream, your desire, your purpose in life. All right? Guno no pinulokis no. Use your brain. Pinulokis is your knowledge, your wisdom. Guno mean you have to read a lot. You have to know a lot. Use your mind, your brain, your knowledge, your education. Guno no pinulokis no. Iti no tinukusan man tasawat. Because I believe God, this is the legacy, this is the inheritance that was poured upon us from God, our Creator. Iti no tinungkusan man sabat. This is the knowledge God is giving every one of us with a divine knowledge and also education. Why? Because you're willing to learn from your mistake, learn from it, and have confidence in yourself. God will give you the grace and wisdom. Sundong ahom po tu kasusahan asangkad nu nung Kotumbazaai ko. Though your trouble is so deep, you are in that mud. All right? But you will be able to go through that, to walk on that with a belief, confident. Successful people have that kind of belief and confidence. Right? So, kada kotigogo, kada kontingaw ginavo, Kotumbazaai no loy diyaw sondi. So, last word, I said, don't be troubled. Don't tell yourself that this is the end of me, the end of the world. You know, there are many people who have lost, and they even commit suicide. They even say, They just enter into bad and become bad person, broken. They get involved into drugs, drink. It's just like they have no more taste of life. They have been so hurt, destroyed. But one thing I know, when I mention about God, He will give you that hope. If you look upon God, He will give you that hope. I said, don't trouble. Don't allow your heart to be worried that much. You believe in God and you believe in yourself. That is what my experience is. And I'm trying to express my hearers to put your trust in God. Put your trust in His promises, in His word. Put your trust in Christ Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. Then put your trust in yourself and believe in yourself that you can do it. When you allow yourself to follow the way of righteousness, holiness, and in the way that God wanted to do, you are able to fulfill your dream, your desires. You're able to raise up from the brokenness and failures. And God will give you the victory, because God desires a man who have confidence and trust and faith in himself and faith in the living God. It's a wonderful song, Kotumbazaai, no? And I hope that this will encourage you. And those who are hearers who don't understand Kadazan, this is the meaning of it all. Thank you. Happy listening.
No puhas dati kotumbazanu nongozo ngabi ikahansanan no sigot ni pido tongogingo nogo nitan doy kontingaan sunduban wasitu monong pohai toluai pemusavai do tahom ahom tiah komiku kotumbazai siau sondi kanu manakadai kotumbazai ahantoinu konunu toku bangon songkwa potu kinabastau tukadon gisom do odimpatan di kotumbazaan doi diau sondi kapanak diau kahantasan. Kotumbazaai noy diau sondi umaban ngabi di mogunda atiau tongki sonu tu isiau no ikanu manoku bang tangaga kuti manangon diau kuno ono pinulokistu itinunkusan mantan sahabat sundung ahom potuk kosusaan asangkad nung otumbazaan ko. Kada kotigavo Kada kontingau ginavo Kotumbazaai no doi diau Sondi Minamangu Bidon ko may disido Kotumbazaai no doi diao sondi